Okay, let's dive into this explainer. We're going to see how React devs build opponents that actually learn. Players easily outsmart basic code, so we desperately need a more organic, evolving approach.
Enter Invisible AI. It quietly studies your gaming habits in the background without lagging the main thread.
How? We pair local browser memory using sql.js with Bring Your Own Inference through the cloud.
Basically, heavy reasoning hits remote cloud APIs, but your memory state? That stays securely local. To manage this kind of magic, we split the local AI memory into two distinct biological layers. First up, episodic memory. This captures the raw, append-only logs of literally every move you make. Meanwhile, semantic memory uses a background librarian job. It distills those raw logs into permanent strategy. Then, through context injection, we seamlessly feed those extracted facts right back into the AI's prompt.
For you React devs, the react-llm-wiki package powers this zero-server retrieval architecture right inside the browser. Since the local state curates the inputs, it completely lets the LLM actively play the human.
Predictable AI is totally obsolete now. So, what will your newly adaptive opponent learn about you next?